454 Aubade. I'm going to spell that A-U-B-A-D-E. Okay, so of course it's owner occupied. We have tile flooring. This is the same type of walls that we're seeing, wall texture that we're seeing in higher end, newer homes. See the texture. We have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. And we have a coat closet off the front. I will get the exterior, the front of the house, at the end of the video. This home is in the Cadence community, which our property manager is a very big fan of. We actually have a property with the same floor plan, and it's currently being rented out. Upgraded light fixture. You guys are good. So we already have the extended pavers in place, which is great. And we have a little bit of grass. Okay, and we have the patio overhang. One's out. Okay. Of course, this house is very new, and you can tell when you're walking through it. So we have this fantastic farm sink. It's really beautiful. A space saver microwave already installed, of course. We'd have to replace these with regular deadbolts. The seller may even take them. We have epoxied flooring in the garage, which also helps the home appear more new when you put it on the market. So that's another bonus. Huge storage area. May I open your garage door?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay, I'll go ahead and show you the exterior of the house now. So we're at the end of a cul-de-sac. Another nice plus. Paver driveway. We have this courtyard area. Okay, now let's go back inside. Is that a tankless water heater?
It is.
Okay, thank you.
Really well.
Okay, I'll head upstairs. I'll take my shoes off at the stairs. Oh.
There's also a soft water loop, but we don't have the system.
Oh, got it. Okay, thank you. Okay, beautiful fireplace. We have carpet on the stairs. The wall condition is good. Okay. Upgraded light fixture. Blinds look good. Carpet looks good. Tile, which is nice to already have it. Undermount square sinks. Really modern, upgraded. Replace those light bulbs with non-curly ones. Very low maintenance tub, which is great. A laundry room upstairs. So if the appliances don't stay, we'd want them professionally installed so there's no leaks. No ceiling fan in here. No ceiling fan in here. It's great to have a loft area. Just an additional living space for the family. This home is showing very well. Also low maintenance, and not seeing a lot of areas that need any caulking. Great size linen closet. Okay.